My precious child, I see you reading these words right now, searching for a sign, for hope, for something to hold on to in this storm you're facing. I know the weight you've been carrying in silence, those prayers you whisper when no one else can hear, the tears that fall when you think I'm not watching. But beloved, I am always watching, not as a judge, but as a father who aches when you ache, who catches every tear before it hits the ground. You've been wondering if I've forgotten you, if your prayers bounce off the ceiling, if maybe you're too broken for my love to reach. Oh, my child, if only you could see what I see when I look at you. Where you see failure, I see someone learning to trust me. Where you see scars, I see stories of survival that will heal others. Where you see inadequacy, I see potential so vast it would overwhelm you if I revealed it all at once. I know you're tired, so deeply tired of fighting battles no one knows about, of smiling when your heart is breaking, of being strong when all you want is to collapse into my arms. Come, collapse. I am strong enough to hold you and everything you're carrying. Remember when you were younger and you believed I could do anything? That childlike faith was right. I am still the God who parts seas, who moves mountains, who breathes life into dead situations. The same power that raised the dead lives in you through my Spirit. I haven't changed, beloved. I'm still working miracles, just sometimes in ways too intricate for human eyes to immediately perceive. Right now, even as you read this, I'm orchestrating circumstances you can't see, moving people you haven't met yet into position to bless you, preparing answers to prayers you haven't even prayed. Your breakthrough isn't coming. It's already in motion. Those closed doors, I close them to protect you from paths that would have led away from your purpose. That rejection, it was my protection. That loss, it created space for something infinitely better that's already on its way to you. I need you to understand something vital. You are not behind schedule. You haven't missed your chance. It's not too late. You are exactly where you need to be for what I'm about to do in your life. Your story isn't over, my child. This is just the chapter where everything changes. The waiting season is ending. The restoration season is beginning. Suddenly, things that have been difficult will become easy. Doors that were locked will swing open. The peace you've been seeking will settle over your life like a warm blanket. My precious one, I placed a calling on your life before you took your first breath, and nothing you've done or failed to do can change that. Trust me with your tomorrow. Trust me with your fears. Trust me with the dreams you're afraid to speak aloud. I am faithful to complete what I've started in you. You are loved beyond measure, chosen for such a time as this, and I will never, ever leave you alone. Share this message with 20 people who need to remember their love today. Subscribe to stay connected to these divine reminders, because someone in your circle desperately needs the hope you're carrying. You are my messenger of hope. Amen.